Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. It's our third day here sa Bali, Indonesia. And medyo maulan pa rin magdamag. Buti ngayon medyo tumigil-tigil na. Sana magtuloy-tuloy. And umaraw naman kahit konti. And room service ulit tayo guys for breakfast.
Where's the sun, bro?
There is. Imagine na may sun. Pastries, egg, and clubhouse sandwich, bacon, fruits. Ito lahat nasa 300,000. Nagpa room service na lang ulit tayo kasi umuulan, nakakatamad pumunta sa restaurant. Meron lang additional fee yung room service nila dun sa in-order mo. Pero okay na yon kasi maganda naman yung setup nung ano nila dito, dining table. It's nice. Let's eat. Yeah, chicken satay. Masarap talaga ng sauce ng satay, guys. Peanut sauce. Yummy. Hi everyone, tapos na tayo mag-breakfast. Silipin natin yung spa guys. And maya maya mag-check out na tayo. Lilipat tayo sa Seminyak Villa. Hello, selamat pagi. Okay guys, so nag-start na yung massage natin. Super hindi ko ma-resist magpa-massage dito guys kasi tingnan nyo naman yung setup po. Yan yung massage bed. And look, rice field yung katapat mo. Si Jero yung massage therapist natin. Hi Jero!
Hi!
Hi everyone! So tapos na tayo sa spa, sa massage natin. I think Balinese massage yung nakuha natin. Sarap. Puro hagod-hagod lang, hindi masakit sa katawan. Stretching. It's good. Tingnan naman guys, oh. Ang ganda ng background while nagpapamassage. Yung tunog ng ulan, so relaxing. Tsaka yung mga ibon. 250 Indonesian rupiah yung massage. Okay, prepare na tayo for check-out. Hinabo lang talaga namin tong massage kasi gandang-ganda kami dito sa sa setup ng spa nila. So, let's go. Ito na kami nag-check-out, umuulan dito sa first villa natin sa Don Lebar. Down Lebar. Okay, ayan sila.
Hi!
Mga basang sisiw. Ginamit namin yung hotel towel para hindi kami mabasa. Teka lang, magbabayad pa pala tayo guys sa mga nagastos natin. Dito tayo sa Ubud Thematic Art Market. Maulan kasi, so naghahanap lang tayo ng pwede nating puntahan na hindi tayo mababasa ng ulan. Ang daming pwedeng mabili dito guys, mga art crafts. Ayan o, mga bag, mga wood crafts. Cute guys oh. 367 pesos. It's cute. Ito nga yung binili ni Clarissa kahapon. Gamit niya na guys. It's nice.
Yes.
250 yung unang price na pababa namin ng 100k. So nakabili tayo ng batik polo for 90k. Dito. Meron na tayong souvenir dito sa Bali. Okay na. Okay. Terima kasih. Thank you.
Sama-sama. Good luck.
Good luck to
you.
you too. Thank you. Hi guys! So, tapos na tayo dito sa art market. Ang bilis ng pera dito kaya alis na tayo kagad. Daming pwedeng mabili dito guys. Basta galingan nyo lang ang pagtawad. Hi guys, so nandito tayo ngayon sa Clear Cafe na sikat siya na cafe dito sa Owood Central Place. Tingnan nyo guys, so ang daming tao. I think sikat siya guys kasi Instagrammable lahat ng corners. Medyo umuulan lang eh. Tapos pagpasok mo dito, kailangan tanggalin yung shoes mo. So nakapaalang kami. Hi guys, dumating na yung order natin dito na falafel pita sandwich with onion rings. Ito, mac and cheese, nachos, ito, maki, shrimp maki. Sarap. Sarap yung nachos. Sarap. Napakambawas eh. Ang sarap nito guys.
Crunchy.
Yung in-order namin dito guys, wala kami in-order na Indonesian cuisine or Indonesian food. Puro mga eto. Yeah, Indian, mac and cheese, nachos, Japanese yung sushi. Yeah, medyo ano na kami kahapon eh, puro Indonesian cuisine yung kahapon yung sa Bebek Temasari. Yeah. Kota na kami sa Indonesian food. Pero masarap yung kahapon. So, dito muna tayo sa mga ibang food naman. Order ako ng strawberry lemonade shake or juice. Sarap. Sarap. Sarap ng strawberry nila dito, guys. Parating fresh. Oo. Wala palang mga ano dito, guys. Walang soft drinks. Healthy food daw sila dito, healthy food.
Very caffeinated right now.
Ayan guys, ito na yung outcome nung pagkain namin dito sa Clear Cafe. Ubos lahat guys. Masarap yung food. Did you enjoy the food? Did you enjoy it? Tita, did you enjoy your sushi? Babe, masarap yung ano, falafel pita.
Nakakabusog talaga.
Ako wala akong in-order guys, pero ako yung pinakabusog. Kasi taga-ubos ng hindi nila nakain. Super busog guys. Ano bang ano to? Flower. Excuse me, what flower is this?
Yeah, this is apa mitero? Mitero. Apa? Marigold. Yeah, marigold. Yeah.
Marigold?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
This is real.
Yeah, it's good. Marigold. Thank you. Terima kasih.
Like a pumpkin.
Marigold pala to guys. Nagkalat siya dito sa cafe. Clear Cafe. Tapos dito guys, meron silang papand. Tsaka koi. And yan, may mga tumutulong tubig sa bunganga ng dragon. Ano ba yan? Parang crocodile. Vanilla ice cream with strawberry. Ang sarap ng strawberry guys. Nasarap talaga ng strawberry na dito. Super tamis guys. Bayad na tayo guys. Okay guys, nakapagbayad na tayo. Total bill lahat, 450,000 rupiah. Indonesian rupiah. So papunta tayo ng Seminyak na. Kumain lang tayo sandali kanina sa Clear Cafe. Sarap yung pagkain nila doon guys. More or less mga 1 hour 30 minutes yung biyahe namin from Ubud to Seminyak. Guys, so meron Jayco. Dito daw pala ang birthplace ng Jayco eh. Check-in lang tayo guys dito sa Avani. Meron silang welcome drink. What is this?
Ginger tea,
Ginger.
lemon squash, and honey.
Okay, ginger tea, lemon, and honey.
Do you have any allergic maybe?
Nah,
All good?
all good.
All good. Just enjoy.
Sarap guys, delicious. Cookie.
Wet like 9.
Hindi. Dapat pala nauna muna mag-wet wipes. Terima kasih.
Sama-sama. Terima kasih aja your stay.
Thank you.
Bring it
The bag?
blue one.
No, it's okay. I got it.
Yes, please.
What's your name, my friend?
My name is Budi.
Budi,
I'll
hi.
explain a bit our villa facilities. We
Okay.
have main pool. Actually, in your room, they have a private pool inside.
Ah, okay,
also.
okay. This is the main pool.
Yes, correct. And then there is a restaurant.
Okay.
Only one restaurant. They are open for breakfast, lunch, and then dinner.
Ito yung restaurant nila. This is the restaurant?
Yes, correct.
Okay.
I will escort you by buggy. Could you wait a moment?
Okay. Meron tayong ano dito, buggy car. Guys, this is our room. 1215. Okay. So excited sa itsura ng villa natin guys. Ito na, bubuksan na ni Kuya. Wow. Wow. It's a pool.
So this is your 2-bedroom
Okay.
private pool villa inside.
Sa atin yun.
This is your living room here.
Ah, hindi. Ano yata yan? I don't know. What's that?
O, Ethan, dyan ka na.
Sofa bed is set up here.
Ah, yeah. Tumayos tuloy.
Complimentary mirror.
Ako nga.
If you like to after swim, you can use that one.
Ah, okay.
Yay. Clarissa and I.
Oh, cute.
Put it inside. Okay, so this is the second room, and then the master will be there.
Chloe, you have your own bathtub.
And also complimentary mineral water will be refilled daily also.
Daily, okay. This is the master's bedroom, guys. Wow. So nice. Whoa.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Buddy.
You're welcome.
Happy?
Yes.
Actually, guys, kaya kami nandito kasi birthday ni Babe. This is going to be Ethan's room. Solo niya. Nag-set up sila ng sofa bed with his own TV. It's, you have your own room. Ang laki. You like it? Yeah. Hey guys, go. We're gonna eat. So we're going to try yung restaurant dito sa resort. Nag-check-in na kami kanina. Nilagay lang namin yung gamit namin sa room. And then, nag-freshen up konti. Bukas, magpo-complete villa tour tayo. Kasi medyo madilim na nung dumating kami. Mas maganda mag-tour lang. Medyo maliwanag pa. Ito yung restaurant nila guys. Oh. Katabi na pool. How is your room? Not like your room? So good.
I love it.
Okay.
You just think it's a kitchen, dude.
This is my surprise birthday gift for you.
Wow, amazing.
Super nice.
Actually, meron pa yan sa ano sa birthday ko pala.
Hello guys, nag-order ako ng vanilla milkshake.
this?
Canoe milkshake.
Milkshake?
Lasang ice cream. Very good.
Very good.
Please like. Please.
Please like, share, and subscribe para marami kang mabiling milkshake.
Please.
Oh.
Pwede akin na lang yan.
Meron silang pack cropek dito guys habang nag-aantay ng food. Hindi ko alam kung cropek pero malaking. Look.
Laki.
Boom! Kasi laki ng face ko guys. Magkakaiba lasa. Oo nga. Ano nga? It's cropek nga. Guys, dumating na yung carbonara natin. Okay.
Pouch.
Oh. Oh.
Yummy.
Yummy. Thank you.
Yummy. The bread.
Taste it. Gusto mo rin ba dyan? Hati kayo dyan, di ba?
Pati kami.
Beef stroganoff. I like this guy. Sarap. Mashed potato. Mashed potato. Ooh, crispy chicken burger guys with French fries. Looks yummy. Whoa. Whoa. Ito na yung Surf's Up pizza nila guys. Para siyang Hawaiian pizza sa atin. Tikman mo na.
Please. Right.
Yummy?
Yeah.
Ito guys, natikman ko na rin yung crispy chicken burger nila. Masarap din. So far, lahat ng food nila dito masarap. Guys, ang sarap nung Surf's Up pizza nila guys. Surf's Up pizza. Panalo. Guys, may dessert tayo. Strawberry dessert. Ang ganda ng presentation ng dessert. Tignan mo yung baso. Ang ganda. Let's taste this dessert. Sarap. Sarap ng strawberry. Actually, wala siyang strawberry. Strawberry flavored dessert. Ice cream. Yummy. Everything is destroyed. Ubus na siya lahat. Masarap yung food nila dito, guys. Thank you. What's your name, my friend?
Gus Adi.
Gus Adi.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
658,000 Indonesian rupiah guys yung meal natin. Masarap siya lahat. Naubos namin. And madami na siya. It's around 2,300. Actually, mura siya sa mga hotel standard. Ang ganda ng restaurant. And hotel restaurant siya. 2-3 na yon. Meron kaming beef, meron kaming pizza, meron kaming pasta, may burger, tapos may dessert, may drinks din, na dalawang kasama. 2,300. Good price. Maganda. I like it. Let's end ko na rin tong vlog for today. Sana nagustuhan nyo yung ginawa naming paglipat from Ubud to Seminyak Resort Villa. Dito na kami sa Avani, Seminyak Valley nakastay. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on our channel. And see you on our next Bali adventure. Bye-bye guys. Bye. See you guys.